the Swell and Instagram Poll Challenge. So we'll be explaining how this works. This works by, we have like Instagram and we have this app called Swell, which like what you do in it is like strangers make decisions for you.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing, asking our fans on Instagram and on Swell what they think about what we should do for the rest of our day. So let's get right on and stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the giveaway information. So let's get started. Our first poll was what activity we're going to do. So some of the options were, well, two of the options were going to the park or doing chalk in our driveway. Guys, I'm so excited to find out the final result. What are we going to do? Are we going to go to the park? Are we going to do chalk? Are we going to... Who knows? I don't know. And I'm just waiting right now. And our our voters are super ready. They're ready for this. They're ready to make all our big life decisions. No, I'm just kidding. But still, they're going to change our day forever. And then, yeah.
Nice.
Since the park won for our last poll, we will be choosing how we get to the park. So we will either be riding on a scooter or we'll be riding on a bike. So we also asked our fans on Swell and Instagram if we should either swing or climb at the park. Some of the options were chicken nuggets versus pasta. So chicken nuggets won, and we're eating our chicken nuggets right now. So we are doing another one, and it's what we're gonna have for dessert. The choices are grass or candy. Ew, I really don't want to eat grass. It's so disgusting. Oh. Like dogs pee on grass.
Yeah.
What if we take a piece of
that?
That's so gross. Ugh. So we're eating our treat because of candy. Yeah. Because most people voted for candy, so thank God we don't have to eat grass.
I thought people
so
would
gross.
tell us to eat grass.
I know. So what these are, they're like cookies with like icing on it, like sprinkles. So they're really good. Bye everyone! So we are actually having a giveaway, as I said in the beginning, and I'll be telling you what you need to do to win and what you'll be winning. So first of all you need to do is to be entered is to subscribe, like this video, and comment your 2 favorite slimes and what colors you like of slime. Also, we will be announcing on May 29th, so click that bell so you know when we post the winner.